Welcome back, man, to Alphamantraining.com. So we got amazing clients review, like report. So he took a bike, bicycle, just bicycle, and went, just drove that bicycle, and he saw a girl. She plays her car, and she was looking to that river, beautiful river. So he approached with a bike here, used empty opener, and took that bike into her car, and drove to more sexier place. So in that way, he pulled with her car here. It's awesome thing, because if you will not escalate a girl, or you will not pull her, you will not seduce. This is very necessary tool, necessary thing, to do, because otherwise, you cannot seduce her. If you're not pulling or not escalating, you're not moving forward, you're not seducing her. So awesome thing. We're also driving, to relax ourselves, to give amazing time, and you can change your life for a better. The best is to save time and invest into all products at once. In that way, you save a lot of time. You commit because you pay money for all products. You start to read them. You carefully read and watch them because you commit. And then, you go by yourself. You execute AMT systems. You get results. And you also take a bootcamp. And on bootcamp, you will be self-confident. So links are below. Invest. It's awesome. And we wish you an amazing day. See you.